Uproar in Portmore. Tempers flared at the latest Portmore Municipal Corporation meeting in St. Catherine after Councillor Joy Brown said she was recently pushed and barred from entering the facility. Kelisha Williams has that story.
Clash of the councillors, round one.
Councillor Brown.
Councillor for the Gregory Park Division, Joy Brown, was livid as she told Portmore Mayor Leon Thomas that she was recently shoved and barred from entering the municipal corporation. She tried to solicit persons whom she said witnessed what happened. However, she was shut down.
No, Councillor Brown. No, but you can't tell Ms. Kraskill to speak. You can't tell Ms. Kraskill to speak.
Mayor Thomas urged Councillor Brown to write a formal report on the alleged assault and submit it to the corporation for investigation. But as he tried to close the issue and move on to another councillor, Ms. Brown continued. Round two.
Councillor Benjamin, go ahead.
Man never push you, you
Councillor Joy Brown. Councillor Joy Brown, listen to me. I am saying, send it in writing.
After a few minutes of back and forth, Ms. Brown was ushered out, which brings us to round three.
I am guiding you the right way. Guard you, me not guard you. All right, you come for mash up a meeting. Your dress look nice. Really look nice. Don't leave your bag. Councillor Benjamin, go ahead.
The issue is to be discussed at the next meeting of the Municipal Corporation. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.